From ancient wisdom to the furnace of trial, we are refined for a higher purpose, building a community of light.
The Book of Sirach, also known as Ecclesiasticus or the Wisdom of Jesus, son of Sirach, serves as a bridge between ancient law and the practical application of spiritual truth. Written in the 2nd century BCE by a devoted scribe in Jerusalem, it represents the first time in the biblical tradition that an author signed his name to a book of wisdom. It was composed during a time when the faithful were being pressured to abandon their heritage for foreign philosophies, making it a foundational manual for maintaining spiritual integrity in a distracting world. Back then, the book was a curriculum for the proving ground of daily life. It was written to show that true wisdom is not found in the theories of men, but in the fear of the Lord and the keeping of the commandments. For the ancient community, it offered a roadmap for every possible human interaction: how to choose friends, how to conduct business, how to treat the poor, and how to maintain the sanctuary of the home. It solidified the idea that God's wisdom is a living thing that is accessible to anyone willing to humble themselves and seek it. Today, Sirach is the ultimate guide for navigating the hallway of testing. Its significance lies in its raw honesty about the human condition, most famously captured in the 2nd chapter, which warns that choosing a life of service to the Creator means preparing one's soul for temptation and trial. It teaches that the spiritual life is a process of refinement, much like gold being tested in the fire. In a modern world filled with chaos and confusion, Sirach provides a high frequency of discipline, reminding the seeker that wisdom is a gift given to those who wait with patience and a set heart. The book is essential because it connects the perfected record of the past to the character of the individual in the present. It emphasizes that a person's words and actions are the true indicators of their spiritual state. It covers the power of the tongue, the necessity of community support, and the beauty of honoring those who came before. By studying Sirach, one learns that the goal of wisdom is not just knowledge, but the development of a perfected spirit that can stand firm when the storms of life arrive. It remains a cornerstone for anyone building a sanctuary of truth in their own life and community. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the links in the comments for 100% free resources.